When you walk into a restaurant and your plan is to dine in, that's a place of business, it's an establishment, and the waitress seats you, she's a representative for that company, for that business, and she asks you, can I take your order? We're talking about the term order. Stick with me, I'm trying to get to something, so I can clear up some misconceptions about the term, an order. When you go into that restaurant, that representative, that waitress, she's already in agreement. She's going to contract with you. She works for that company. She's an employee of that company. So she's like a trustee for that company. Okay? Pay attention to the words that I'm using when I'm explaining this. Okay? She's a trustee for that company. Let's just use Applebee's. Okay? She's a trustee for Applebee's. She wants to take your order. And she asks, can I take your order? And everything that you say, you're reading their menu, the menu that's created by the CEO or whoever the owner or representative for that company. You're reading that menu. They're letting you know that everything that they can write down on that ticket is on that menu. Anything that you want on that menu, you're going to tell them what you want. Whatever you write on that, whatever you say that you want, she's going to write on that ticket. She's already in agreement. Trying to help you understand something about contract law as well. She's trying to contract with you as a representative for Applebee's. She wants to write your order down on that ticket. Okay? You're in agreement. Whatever she writes down, that's what she's writing down whatever you tell her that you want off that menu. She write it down. She brings and she takes your order. She goes out. She goes back to the back and she brings you your food. They prepare the food and they bring it to you. You eat it. They bring you the ticket. That ticket is the contract. Okay, that's your order. That order is everything that you agreed to purchase from that company. You agreed. Y'all just got a contract right there. That's the representative for Applebee's, and you're the representative for your straw man. Okay. Keep in mind, you're paying. Just say if you're paying. It's just entertain you paying it with your card, your debit card, bank card, credit card, whatever. That credit card has your straw man name written on it. Your name in all capitalized letters. Okay. You just cause your straw man. You the representative for your straw man, which is also a business entity. You just conducted business with a representative of Applebee's, who also is a representative. And y'all, she's a representative for the straw man. On that ticket has Applebee's name written on there, and it has your straw man name written on there when she swipes your card. Okay, your entities just conducted business with each other. Two representatives just conducted business on behalf of two business. Two representatives are the go-betweens between these two straw men, these two artificial persons. That's the straw man and the company, the corporation, whatever. They're both straw men. They're both fictitious entities. Okay, they're artificial persons. Y'all are like. I'm gonna stay on topic. I just want to bring it up so that you can understand what an order is. Okay, when you get a court order, say child support, for instance, it's a court order. That order is something that the representative, which is the trustee for the state of, I'm in Georgia. Let's say state of Georgia, or whatever state you're in, state of, and you fill in the blank. That judge, that attorney, that social worker, they're all trustees for that state of. Okay. They're government representative, they're government entities. Okay. There's an entity. You get the point. You got the judge who's a trustee for the state of Georgia. Attorneys, he or she works for the state of Georgia. State of Georgia is also it's a company as well. It's a business entity. Okay. They're trustees. Okay. Trustees are also I'm gonna say that for another topic. I ain't gonna go there with that. I'm gonna say that for something else. I don't think I want to go too deep off into that rabbit hole yet. At least not publicly. Anyway, in your straw man, you're supposed to be operating using your straw man to conduct business. Okay? And you're supposed to be the trustee for your straw man. You're supposed to be the trustee for your straw man and use it, That's how you're supposed to be, but we're not taught civics in school. We don't know this stuff. There's not a meeting of the minds because you don't know the language. They know the language, but you don't know the language. They're contracting with you as if you are a representative for that all cap name, for that straw man. And you're not. You're supposed to take control of that name. You take control of that name and you operate as a trustee for that name, not operating as... See, right now you're supposed to be the beneficiary only because you're considered a minor. Okay? Because when they create that order, they're supposed to go with two people having come into an agreement. Okay? Baby mama, baby daddy, however, mother, father. They're supposed to come to an agreement using their straw man as to what it is they want to do. Just like if a man's on child support, the mother can actually, agree with the father, and they write a contract where they both decide to do away with child support altogether, and they can come with a private contract for their straw man, just like a power of attorney. You can do that shit with a power of attorney, which is a private contract too, and it's enforceable. And they can create one, and they can use that to terminate an order, because an order is nothing more than an agreement between two parties. Okay. So if you have, let me pause this for a second so I can get my words together real quick. See, there's some things that I've learned that I don't want to talk about on the internet yet. I don't want to talk about on the internet at all, really. But I don't have a problem talking privately. But I'm trying to help, give you some jewels in here so you understand that you have to become someone that's controlling your name. You have to take control of your name. There are many ways to control your name. Contract laws. Keep in mind, when I just called you the trustee. What is a trustee of? How do you become a trustee? What is state of? Is state of Georgia not a trust? Is not the straw man a trust? I'm gonna leave that right there.